S.H.Figuarts Gosei Knight Tensu Sentai Gosei, produced by Bandai. Looking pretty awesome. And here's the guru.
Hello. I got him just the other day. Super excited. I've been looking forward to him for a very, very long time. He's only supposed to have like one of these weapons in his hands at a time, but I have him holding his transformed sword weapon as well as his gun. And he's got three morphers on him right now. His little cell phones. He's got one right here, one on his hip that's much smaller and doesn't open up or anything, and then he's got one up here on this gun. And I'll turn him around. You can see him a little better. The cell phone is super detailed, or the morpher, and it closes up. Of course, I like it open though. His helmet is super cool. It's got two lines on either side of its face mask. And then a little line right here in the front. And he's got a super big line right here. You can see his belt makes it up with the chest. I love his colors. They're like really calm. They're not as bright as the rest of the Rangers. I love the armor all over him. Good luck getting through that. This guy just blows my mind in how cool he is. And I don't understand what this back here, the flat area, the saucer area with the lines, I don't have anything that goes in there or anything like that. And I haven't watched this season with him, so I don't know. And he came with another gun sheet. And the morpher comes off of it, and the little red ammo pouch belt thing comes off of this and goes onto there. We've got a bunch of hands. His posability is pretty good. There's a few things that get in the way, like his shoulder pads will keep him from going up right here. And it kind of fits into the groove of the shoulder pad, but if you turn it out of the groove of it, you can get his arm to, well, you just can't get it up any higher than that. But it's still pretty high. And I like it. It makes him operate more like he's in a suit of armor, so I feel like. He's pretty cool. I'll have Juzo soon enough, Decker. I'm really looking forward to that. But this guy's awesome. Cooler than any of the previous ones I have, I think.
Subscribe!